Hello guys, today I want to show you my self-made or self-built small gaming computer I built last Christmas. And in here there's an AMD FX 4300. It has 4 cores at 3.8 GHz. There's a Polar GeForce GTX 750 Ti in it. It has 2 GB of VRAM. It is 8 GB HyperX Fury, but I put another set of 8 GB in it, so it has 16 GB. In here is an ASRock 970M as the motherboard. The case is a Silverstone Zugo SG11. It is not the stock cooler, it is a Titan cooler, but I don't know which one. And in here is a 500 watt PSU. The hard drive is a 500 GB HDD. Yeah. So this computer cost me 400 euros without the HDD and 8 GB of RAM. So I'm quite proud of it, that it just costs somewhat a little bit over 400 euros, and it has so much power for that money, and I'm really proud about it. I could play many games on it. And yeah, so let me open this up and I can show you the inner guts. Okay, so I've opened up the computer. Something that sticks right in your eyes is the GTX 750 Ti. Here's the motherboard. I'm able to put in another graphics card, but why should I? I don't need a second one. It's powerful enough. Over here you can see it. Behind this is the 500 gig 2.5 inch not an SSD, it's an HDD. Yeah, so when you look at the back, there is the 500 watt PSU. Here's the graphics card, and here is the motherboard. It has 2 USB 3.0, 6 USB 2.0, 1 gigabit socket, and the PS2 ports. Turning the computer over to this side, you can see the power supply is under here. Here is the CPU, or the CPU cooler, and underneath it is the CPU. Okay, so here you can see the 16 GB of RAM. These are 8 GB, it's one 8 GB stick I've bought for this computer, and those are 2 4 GB sticks I've just put in to waste the RAM, because I had something on it which was really RAM heavy, or it needed much RAM. I don't know what it was again, but I needed it. So that's the reason. Underneath here is the Titan cooler with the AMD FX 4300. And yeah. Okay, so that's the front of the computer. You are able to put in a 5.25 inch, or you have a bay for it. So you could put in a big DVD drive. You could put in everything you want. That's just nothing to use. That's just the name Silverstone. The power on and power off is up here. That's the power on, and here are the USB ports and the headphone ports or microphone ports. It is USB 3.0 up here, so yeah, quite nice. Okay, so that's with the computer, with my small computer. I really like it. I may be going to sell it to a friend in the next few weeks, so then I'm able to build myself a new computer based on this idea, but smaller. It's then really in such a small factor that it's as powerful and as small as a console, like my PlayStation 4. I really like this computer. It only cost me 400 euros, so it's very good for that power that it has. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you next time.